So if you have been thinking about adding puddle lights to your car, those logo projection lights that hit the ground every time you open your door, today I'm covering the top 5 puddle lights options you can actually buy on Amazon right now. I am not just going to list them. I am going to break down what makes each one worth your money, what is different between them, and which one is the right pick for your car. Links to all 5 are in the description. Let us get into it. Starting with number 1, MEJELAKI 2026 upgraded puddle lights. It is the MEJELAKI 2026 model, and the standout feature is the 360-degree rotation. Most puddle lights, you install them and the logo lands wherever it lands. With this one, you physically spin the projection until it is sitting exactly where you want it on the ground. Clean, centered, perfect. That sounds like a small thing until you have dealt with a logo that is pointing sideways with no fix available. The 2026 lens is noticeably sharper than previous versions. Colors stay clean, edges stay crisp, and the no fade claim holds up based on buyer feedback. No blurry halos, no color bleed, just a tight, clear projection every time a door opens. Compatibility covers Model Y Juniper 2025 through 2026, Model Y 2020 through 2026, Model 3 2017 through 2026, Model 3 Highland 2024 through 2026, and Model S and Model X from 2016 through 2021. One thing to note, the 2022 through 2024 Model S and X are not supported, so verify your year before buying. Installed is fully plug and play. No cutting, no wiring, no coding. Pop out the factory light, click this in, and you are done. Auto on and off handles itself with the door. Colors are white, blue, and red. White is the most popular for good reason. Pros: 360-degree rotations set the logo exactly where you want it. 2026 upgraded lens, sharper, no fade, clean edges. Wide Tesla compatibility. Model Y, 3, S, X from 2016 to 2026. True plug and play, no wiring, no coding. Cons: Tesla only. Won't work on any other brand. Color selection limited to 3 options. Number 2 is Motrobe 4PCS 4K HD Ultra Bright Puddle Lights. The Motrobe lights skip the traditional logo entirely. Instead, they produce a light carpet effect, a clean, linear, geometric beam that spreads across the ground when the door opens. Very futuristic. If you want something that feels more like a premium reveal than a badge on the pavement, this is it. The brightness spec is the first thing that stands out. Motrobe claims 5 times brighter than factory puddle lights, and they back that up with a quartz glass lens. Most lights at this price use regular glass or plastic. Quartz transmits more light, holds clarity longer, and will not yellow over time. The smart thermal control chip prevents overheating and, more importantly, stops error codes from showing up on the Tesla dashboard. Cheaper puddle lights trigger fault warnings because the car sees an unfamiliar component. Motrobe's chip communicates properly with the system. Also, every light in the pack is labeled FL, FR, RL, and RR, so you cannot mix them up. Full 4-door install takes about 3 minutes. If you are on one of those newer variants and want something genuinely premium and forward-looking, Motrobe is the call. 5 times brightness and a quartz lens is a real step up. The light carpet honestly gets more comments than a traditional logo does. Pros: 5 times brighter than OEM factory puddle lights. Quartz glass lens, exceptional clarity, no yellowing. Smart chip prevents dashboard error codes. FL/FR/RL/RR labeled foolproof 3-minute install. Cons: geometric light carpet, not a traditional logo projection. Newer Tesla variants, only 2024 to 2026 models. Number 3 is Thingrific 4-pack puddle lights. The headline feature is the rotatable HD lens. You install it and then physically adjust the projection angle until the logo hits exactly where you want. Cheaper lights lock you into whatever angle the housing sets, and there is nothing you can do about a tilted logo. Not here. You dial it in and it stays there. Brightness runs through advanced constant current control. meaning the output stays consistent. No dimming, no flickering, no uneven patches, even illumination across the whole logo every time. The smart decoding chip also keeps the Lexus computer happy, so there are no fault warnings on the dash. That is a real issue with some aftermarket lights, and Thingrific eliminates it. Coverage spans LS, ES, IS, LX, RX, GS, GX, RC, and UX. 9 Lexus model lines. And because it is a 4-pack, all 4 doors are covered in one order. Full symmetrical setup every time any door opens. Verify your specific model and year against the listing before buying. Thingrific recommends it, and it is just smart practice for any brand-specific puddle light. Pros: full 4-pack, all 4 doors covered at once. Rotatable lens for precise logo angle control. Smart decoding chip, no dash warning lights. Covers 9 Lexus model lines. Cons: confirm your specific model year before purchasing. Projection is subtle in direct daytime sunlight. Number 4 is LOWEEY car puddle lights. It is the LOWEEY pack, and the 4K HD lens is what stands out immediately. The glass grade is a step above standard puddle lights. Light transmission is stronger, and the projection is sharp and vivid in a way that fits a Mercedes. Clear, precise, and not flat. Long-term durability is built in. LOWEEY uses high temperature resistant materials and aluminium heat sinks inside the housing. That prevents the fading, yellowing, and hazy projection you see in cheaper options after a few months. The never fade claim is backed by real construction, not just a label. The LOWEEY Mercedes version is a 2-pack, 2 doors covered out of the box. If you want all 4, you need 2 units. That is worth knowing before you add to cart. What LOWEEY nails is the OEM matched housing. It is designed to look like the factory light casing, so once installed, it blends into the car completely. No aftermarket look, no obvious mod, just a clean projection that appears to belong there. Mercedes owners notice that kind of detail, and LOWEEY delivers on it. Install is under a minute per door with the included pry tool. Pop out the original, plug this in, done. No coding, no wiring. Pros: 4D premium glass lens vivid, dimensional projection. OEM matched housing looks completely factory installed. Aluminum heat sinks never fade, never dim build. Under 1 minute install with included pry tool. Cons: 2-pack. Only need 2 units for all 4 doors. Higher cost per door versus 4-pack alternatives. And number 5 is Thingrific 2-pack, never fade, car puddle lights. The technology is identical. Same constant current control, same rotatable HD lens, same smart decoding chip. Exact same quality, smaller package. So why is it at number 5? For most people, 4 doors looks more complete, and the 4-pack gives better per light value. But the 2-pack has real use cases. Maybe you only want the front 2 doors. Maybe you want to test it before committing to the full set. See how the projection looks on your specific car first, then come back for the other 2. Or maybe the budget just works better right now. All valid reasons. Comes in white, blue, and red. The never fade build holds across all 3 colors, and the rotatable lens works exactly the same as on the 4-pack. Install it, adjust the angle, get the logo sitting right. For a Lexus owner not ready to commit to all 4 doors at once, this is the right starting point. Same quality, lower commitment. Pros: identical Thingrific tech and quality as the 4-pack. Rotatable lens, same precise angle control. Lower commitment, great way to try before buying the full set. Multiple color options, white, blue, red. Cons: only covers 2 doors. Feels incomplete as a standalone install. Per light value is better in the 4-pack. Best for Tesla overall, MEJELAKI 2026. Rotation and wide compatibility make it the most flexible pick. Best for newer Tesla models, Motrobe. On a 2024 through 2026 Juniper or Highland, the quartz lens and 5 times brightness is on a different level. Best Lexus full install, Thingrific 4-pack. All 4 doors, smart chip, rotatable lens, 9 model lines. Best for Mercedes, LOWEEY. The 4K HD lens and OEM housing look factory installed. Best Lexus entry point, Thingrific 2-pack. Same tech, lower cost, smart way to test before committing. Hopefully this helped you decide which one's worth your money. All 5 links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.